So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find the equation of a horizontal line, that is the equation of a line parallel to x-axis which passes through the point of intersection of these two lines. So how do I do it? It's again a very straightforward question. So let me find the point of intersection. So if I want a horizontal line passing through the point of intersection of these two curves, if the equation of this line will be of the form y is equal to some constant, right? The line parallel to x-axis will be of the form y is equal to constant, and this constant will be same as the y coordinate of the point of intersection. So I'll be more interested in finding the y coordinate of the point of intersection of these two lines. So to find the y coordinate, let me eliminate my x. So I'll multiply the first equation with b and the second equation with a. So if I do that and subtract one from the other, abx, bx gets cancelled. So if I subtract one from the other, this becomes minus, plus and plus. So these two gets cancelled. 2b square y plus 2a square y. That is y times 2b square plus 2a square plus 3b square plus 3a square plus 3b square plus 3a square is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to minus 3 times a square plus b square by 2 times a square plus b square. So this 2 gets cancelled. That implies you have y is equal to minus 3 by 2. That means the line is parallel to x-axis, which is a distance of 3 by 2 units below x-axis. That is the answer to this question. Thank you.